Click a photo first. Then we can see the exclamation point in the upper right corner. Click on which to view some specific information on the picture, such as its name, shooting time, emissivity, size, etc. Then after clicking on this icon, we can edit the picture separately. The editing tools below are the same as those on the home screen, which have already been stated. No further elaboration here. Then we can see the function column on the left. The first one is to add text annotation. We can add text notes to an individual picture. The second one is to add voice annotations. The third one is to add visible light photo annotations. The last one is to do some graffiti. Let's move down to click the little love icon to add the photo to my favorite. Click this little icon on the right to rename this photo. Renaming can be done in 3 ways: keypad input, voice input, or OCR. Then let's move to the right. The functions on the right are the same as those in the photo album: Bluetooth transfer, PDF report generation, photo categorization, upload individual pictures to the cloud album, cut, and delete. Besides, click on the visible light image in the lower right corner to view the visible light image corresponding to the infrared image.